y'all, it's Tastepink, aka your favorite auntie, and welcome back to the channel. So I've teamed up with It's a Wig to bring you guys some style inspiration for the upcoming spring season, because one thing we're not going to be doing in 2019 is being afraid, staying in our comfort zone. It's all about trying new things and stepping into the new bold color palette that we have going on. And what I love about It's a Wig is that they're offering a very different color palette and a color placement. It's their new face framing kind of like set of units, and the color literally frames your face. Now, you know, I'm giving full on Beyonce vibes like this. Okay, I am Mrs. Knowles currently, but this unit is so beautiful, and so is Kahlo, and I want you guys to tell me which was your favorite style. I think each of the units are going to offer very different kind of looks depending on how much drama you want, how bold you are. You know, this is where you can find your alter ego, sis. You can become someone else. I mean, whether you're going out on a date with bae, you're going to the club, you're going to work, there's something for everyone, okay? I even have my alter ego. She's sitting right before you. Very cute, you know, and I'm gonna tell you guys all the tea about every unit, so definitely stay tuned for the full demonstration on how to slay. But you don't even need to cut your lace with these units. It's like the customization is like under 10 minutes and it's super beginner friendly, and again, it's very affordable. So I hope you guys are ready. Be sure to subscribe, join the family, give this video a thumbs up, kiki with me in the comments, and be sure to share the look, sis. Don't keep it a secret, and I hope to see you in the next one. So the first unit is very bold, very vibrant, and this is the style Kahlo, and it's in the color FF Copper Auburn. Now sis, get into the parting space straight out of the package, but also the rich hues, the duotone. I love how they did this. Now, within the cap, you get 2 combs on the left and right sides, and you get an additional comb at the nape along with adjustable straps. I already adjusted my straps. Now, I'm in natural daylight, no studio lights, so it does have a bit of a luster. You can always use dry shampoo to kind of dull out the shine, but the paddle brush is literally gliding through the hair. And I am 5'5", so this is where the hair is hitting me at around like armpit length, you know, boob length. As far as the fit of the cap, this unit does fit my larger head. I have a head circumference of about 23.5 inches, but I applied the Got To Be Freeze spray near the part so it can stay secure. I like that added security sometimes. And now this step is purely optional. I just wanted a little bit of swoop action right at the front. And I also wanted to let you guys know I did tweeze the part a little bit because I felt like it was a little tight. I didn't have to do too much, and you don't want to overpluck with this part. Now I'm going in with a wax stick. You can use the highly recommended Care wax stick, and I like to use a small tooth comb to really help with laying the hair down. With a more straighter texture, sometimes the hairs like they fly everywhere, so this is a great way to tame it. So in the parting space, I'm going to add a bit of eyeshadow, and this really helps the parting space pop. Like, ooh, it just really started coming together. You see how much wider it looks, how much more realistic it looks. And I just used the wax stick to tame the straight hairs so they lay perfectly. And I'm just using the flat iron to really ensure that the top of this wig looks super realistic and is laying as flat as possible. And with a little bit of mousse, I applied it right near the crown in the very top, and I'm going to use a satin scarf and let this set for about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't wrap it too tight. Don't wrap it too tight. You don't want to have a bend in your hair. This is just to make sure that it lays and molds more closely to your actual head, and it looks way more realistic. I was already feeling myself. I was into it. But how do you guys feel? This is such a bold look. Would you wear it? Definitely let me know in the comments section below. Now on to the next style. So this is the unit Edgar. This claims to be tangle free, but it's this beautiful FF honey blonde color. Honey, the soft curls, these nice waves. It's just like beautiful. This is perfect for every day, the club, I mean anywhere. And I did go in to tweeze the part to widen it up a bit, and it looks so much better after doing that. I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of inside of the cap. There's 2 combs on the left and right sides, and you know, the standard comb at the nape with adjustable straps. Now this unit is not as big head friendly as I would like. Granted, I did not have my straight backs, but you know, I just felt like the cap was kind of moving backwards a bit. So if your head is about 23 and a half inches, definitely make sure you have a strong foundation, or you can, like I am, use the combs for security. And I'm also going in with bobby pins, and I like to face the open end towards the front of my face, so it really keeps the wig in place. And then to secure the part, I'm adding a bit of the Got To Be Free spray and laying it with the comb, you know, the wax stick, just to keep everything in place so it lays super flat and tames the hairs. And, you know, do a little swoop action if you will. But I love the color on this. Can you see this? And even if you don't tweeze your part, eyeshadow, pressed powder, or concealer is a must. And I should have pulled my wig cap a little bit forward, but you guys know it has the same effect. Still slaying. I love the soft curls. And I did not want to use a paddle brush or a comb, so I'm using a little bit of mousse and using a light hand to really like kind of caress and gently, you know, spring out the curls. I don't want to disrupt them too much. I want them to look polished and stay neat. And I'm going to give you guys an update as to whether this hair is actually tangle free, but it feels so smooth. It's insane. But get into this look. Oh my God. Beyonce who? So definitely let me know which style you were feeling. Did you like Kahlo? Are you more bold? Or did you like Edgar? Or did you just like both? Definitely make sure to follow It's a Wig, subscribe, join the family. It's about to be super lit. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed any of the looks. Be sure to share this with your homegirls, your homeboys. I know they want to slay too, especially for spring and summer 2019. And meet me in the comment section. I love kikiing with you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.